It's time for Abbie Wabbit.
What are we doing today, Abby?
It's another science video.
So the science experiment that we are doing today is from Crayola Color Chemistry Arctic Lab, and it's called One Thirsty Polymer. And so what it says is that there are some skinny molecules that plump up to form polymers. Snow powder is a polymer that forms big clumps by drinking up lots and lots of liquid. This type of thirsty molecule is called a super absorber. Let's explore what snow powder's favorite beverage is.
Okay.
So all the things that came in the kit for the experiment is the snow powder, the ink bottles, the beaker, and a shovel. And what we have to provide is gonna be oil and water. So the point of the experiment is that we're gonna put snow powder inside oil and see what happens. And then we're gonna put snow powder inside water and see what happens. So which one do you think the snow powder is gonna like more? Do you think it's gonna absorb the water, or do you think it's gonna absorb the oil?
Absorb the oil probably, because they're almost the same color.
So you think that when we put the snow powder in the oil, it's gonna puff up like actual snow? Or do you think when we put it in water, it's gonna puff up like the actual snow?
No, so maybe it's oil.
So you think the oil is gonna react with the snow powder. So we're gonna try the oil first. So it says that we have to fill the beaker with 30 milliliters of vegetable or baby oil, which we have vegetable oil. And we're gonna put 1 shovel full of the snow powder inside, and we're gonna see what happens. Yeah? So let's get started.
Bam, bam, bam.
Okay, so I have added the 30 milliliters of oil to the beaker. Abby has the shovel. I have opened up the snow powder for Abby to take 1 shovel full and drop it in the oil, and we'll see if it puffs up. So the snow powder did not absorb in the oil. So the oil and the snow powder did not work. They are not friends. Yeah? It looks like the snow powder does not want to drink up the oil or absorb it.
No, maybe the water works.
So now we're gonna test out the water, and we're gonna see if water puffs up the snow powder. Yeah? So we're gonna clean out the beaker, dry everything up, and try this again. Okay, so for the second part of the experiment, we have 30 milliliters of water in the beaker, and Abby's gonna add a shovelful of snow powder. It's solidified. The snow powder really absorbed the water, and now it's almost like a gel. So now we're gonna add some color. So you can add a few drops of magenta coloring and then mix it up, and let's see what happens. Okay, so Abby has now a beaker of pink snow. What did you learn from this experiment? So the snow powder reacts with water, not oil.
Thanks for watching. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.